Okay, instead of using a styrofoam support for our dominoes and levers, we decided to use books because they're more sturdy. We found that the styrofoam is just too weak and unreliable. So we started off with these boxes. Got those for free at FedEx. Pretty useful place when you're looking for scrap things. Anyways. So, and then we got these books from my bookcase that we decided would be a very good idea in terms of keeping this thing stable. Because the dominoes are pretty fragile and they're pretty testy. One little shake could just ruin everything. So, yep, this is our best idea for this part of our project so far. So, yep, good, very good.